Introducing the DREAME F10 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo, your all-in-one cleaning solution. This sleek device combines powerful suction with intelligent mopping capabilities. With 13,000 pascals suction power and a 570 milliliters water tank, it tackles both dry and wet messes efficiently. The F10 navigates your home using advanced LiDAR technology, cleaning for up to 300 minutes on a single charge. Control your F10 via the DREAME Home app or voice commands for a customized cleaning experience. Experience a cleaner home with less effort using the DREAME F10 Robot Vacuum and Mop Combo.